more potatoes and some more pancakes. And she's still opening her mouth. BJ out of there.
BJ.
Then she wake right back up and open her mouth.
Hey, BJ. You had enough, BJ? What's up? You had enough to eat?
4, 3, 2, 1.
Naomi. You had enough to eat?
Hey, look at how you looking.
Stop stumping like that.
Look at him.
I think they're done, Daddy.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Naomi, how you still yelling for food? You know you're sleepy.
She don't know when to stop eating. She eating her sleep. Look at him.
Go give me a paper towel and a little water on it.
That's funny. Look at him. He looking at me like.
They ain't even get no milk.
You got a grown man looking on right now. Like, stop playing, man.
Little water on the corner. That is not a little water.
BJ's out of there. BJ!
Leave him alone so I can get his nose.
Yep, it's a wrap.